Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change T-Mobile home internet password. So the first step you need to do is to open Word and you need to access the gateway using the T-Mobile home internet app. Once you done that, you need to use a web browser. You can connect to your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi network, open a web browser and go to this address, log in with the default username and password which you can find on a sticker on the bottom of your gateway. Okay, then you need to change the Wi-Fi password in the T-Mobile home internet app. You simply need to go on to the network or Wi-Fi settings, select the Wi-Fi network for which you want to change the password, enter the new password and save the change. So this is a process, and the reconnect device and restart the gateway, that is optional. It is up to you if you want to do. Let's suppose you change your password and your network is not working, you need to restart. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.